our esteemed chief guest, honorable manager sir, respected teachers and all my dear students, a very good morning. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all our teachers. It's that time of the year where we honor our second parents, our teachers. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5 September every year, the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a former president of India. He was a scholar, a teacher, a philosopher who believed in the power of teaching. So our students have prepared a small program to honor our all teachers. So now I would like to invite Asiya Zaidi and Ramsha Khan to join me on the stage for hosting today's program. Please give a big round of hands together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. First of all, I wish you a happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. This is me, Asiya, from class 7th.
This is me, Ramsha, belong to class 7th.
On the behalf of the entire school, we warmly welcomes you to this grand celebration of Teachers Day. Today is a special occasion, a day to honor and express our gratitude to the wonderful teachers who guide, inspire and shape our future.
So to begin our celebration, I would like to invite APJ Abdul Kalam Group on the stage. Let's welcome Namra with a big round of hands together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teacher, our esteemed chief guest and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Myself Namra Rangrees from class 8. First of all, wishing a very happy Teachers Day to all. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India to mark the birth anniversary of our former president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great scholar, philosopher and teacher. Dr. Radhakrishnan was only a prominent leader, but also a passionate advocate for education. He believed that teachers play a circular role in the development of society and the nation. In fact, when his student requested to celebrate his birthday, he humbled, suggested and inserted celebrating it as his personal day. It should be dedicated to honoring the teaching profession as a whole. So why do we celebrate Teachers Day? The answer lies in the recognition of the invaluable role teachers play in shaping our life. Teachers are guardian lights who analyze our path, impact knowledge and instill value. They help us grow into responsible citizens. They are more than just educators. They are mentor, counselor and friends who inspire us to do our best. On this day, we also acknowledge that teaching is not an easy profession. Teachers put in long hours of preparation, often beyond the classroom. Thank you and happy Teachers Day to all the wonderful teachers.
Thank you, sister, for those inspiring words. Truly, we are fortunate to have such dedicated teachers among us. Please give a big round of hands together.
Let's take a moment to reflect the importance of this day. And to this represent, I would like to invite Hayat Zahra to please join the stage. Please give a big round of hands together.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, प्रबंधक, अतिथिगण, अध्यापिकाएं एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, सुप्रभात। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मेरा नाम हयात है और मैं कक्षा 7वीं की छात्रा हूँ और आज मैं यहाँ पर शिक्षकों के महत्व पर कुछ शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। एक शिक्षक एक मार्गदर्शक, गुरु मित्र होने के साथ और भी कई भूमिकाएं निभाते हैं। शिक्षक केवल एक व्यक्ति नहीं होता बल्कि हमारे जीवन का सच्चा मित्र भी होता है जो हमारे जीवन में हमारे लिए मददगार साबित होता है। शिक्षक ही हमारे जीवन में ज्ञान का प्रकाश फैलाते हैं और हमें सही मार्ग पर चलना सिखाते हैं। शिक्षक हमारे जीवन की दिशा हैं, जो हमारे भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाते हैं। शिक्षक न केवल हमें पढ़ाते हैं, बल्कि शिक्षा के साथ जीवन किस प्रकार जिया जाए इसका ज्ञान भी देते हैं। शिक्षक देश के भविष्य का निर्माण करने वाले व्यक्ति शिक्षक ही होते हैं। वे ही हमें सिखाते हैं, वे हमें सीखने, बढ़ने और अपने लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं। शिक्षक केवल विद्यालय के दायरे में नहीं, बल्कि समाज में भी महत्वपूर्ण योगदान निभाते हैं। वे समाज के प्रत्येक वर्ग को जागरूक करने का काम करते हैं, ताकि हर व्यक्ति को समान अवसर प्राप्त हो सके। उनका दृष्टिकोण और प्रयास समाज को बेहतर बनाने के लिए होता है। शिक्षक हमारे जीवन में मार्गदर्शक होते हैं। वे हमारे सपनों को साकार करने में हमारी मदद करते हैं, और अगर हमारे जीवन में कोई कठिनाई आए तो वे समाधान का रास्ता भी दिखाते हैं। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि शिक्षक हमारे जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण योगदान निभाते हैं। वे हमारे समाज में एक अनमोल रत्न निभाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you for your wonderful and awesome performance. Without any further delay, let's kick off the another speech in front of you all. I would like to invite Sheena Siddiqui to please join the stage. Please put your hands together.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Today I feel immensely privileged standing in front of you on a very special day, Teacher Day. I am Sheena Siddiqui, belongs to class 7. Let me share some thought with you on a very famous and well-known teacher is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was not just a scientist but a true patriot and above all a man with an indomitable spirit who dedicated his life to the service of the nation. Dr. Kalam, often referred to as the Missile Man of India, was born on 15 October 1931 in a small town, Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. Dr. Kalam was known as for his simplicity and kindness. He believed that every Indian has the potential to make the country proud, and he wanted to inspire us all the best version of ourselves. He was also a teacher who loved interacting with the student. He became the President of India in 2002 and was in position to motivate and encourage young people to dream big and work hard. He always said, dream, dream and dream. Dream transform into thought and thought result in action. Let me share some quotes of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The country does not deserve anything less than excellence. You see, God has only people who get hurt. That principle is very clear. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम कहा करते थे, आप देखेंगे गॉड सिर्फ उन्हीं की मदद करते हैं जो मेहनत करते हैं। ये सिद्धांत बिल्कुल स्पष्ट है। डू नॉट टेक एन रेस्ट आफ्टर यू फर्स्ट विक्टरी बिकॉज इफ यू फेल इन सेकेंड योर फर्स्ट विक्टरी इज जस्ट लक। लर्निंग गिव्स क्रिएटिविटी, क्रिएटिविटी लीड्स टू थिंकिंग, थिंकिंग प्रोवाइड्स नॉलेज एंड नॉलेज मेक्स ग्रेट। डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम कहा करते थे, अध्ययन से रचनात्मक मिलती है, रचनात्मक से सोच आती है, सोच से ज्ञान मिलता है और ज्ञान से हम महान बनते हैं। यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर फ्यूचर बट यू कैन चेंज योर हैबिट्स एंड श्योर योर हैबिट्स विल चेंज योर फ्यूचर। डॉक्टर कलाम कहा करते थे, आप अपना भविष्य नहीं बदल सकते, लेकिन आप अपनी आदतें बदल सकते हैं और आपकी आदतें आपका भविष्य बदल देंगी। This quote reflects Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam belief in hard work, perseverance and the power of dreams. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Absolutely, that truly touched our hearts. Thank you for your wonderful performance. Give a big round of hands together.
Now, let's continue the celebration with another one more speech. The way our teachers shape us into individuals is truly remarkable. To present this, I would like to invite Ganesh Punyani to please join the stage. Please welcome with a big round of applause.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. This is Ganesh Punyani, belong to class 6th, and today I am here to represent my speech on power of education. Today I am honored to speak to you about something that has potential to transform individuals, communities, and entire nation. Education. It is without a doubt one of the most powerful forces in the world. Education is not just about textbooks, exams, or grades. It is the key that unlocks the door to a better future. Through education, we gain knowledge, skills, and ability to think critically. It shapes our perspectives, broadens our horizons, and allows us to understand the world in a more deeper, more meaningful way. In conclusion, education is not just a means to better life. For individuals, it is a foundation for more just equitable and prosperous world. It has the power to break barriers, solve problems. Thank you.
What a lovely tribute. Please give a big round of hands together.
Now, as we near the ends of our programs, it's time to express our gratitude once again. Please welcome Sania Malik on the stage.
Honorable Manager Sir, Principal Sir, our respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very fresh good morning to all. Myself, Sania Malik, belong to class 8. Today, I am honored to speak about an essential and revered group of people, teachers who are truly teachers as pillars of society. The role of a teacher in society cannot be overstated. Teachers are not just educators, but the builders of the future. They shape the minds of the young, instill values, and guide their students to become responsible, thoughtful citizens in many ways. Teachers are not just educators, but the builders. Teachers also act as role models. They lead by example, demonstrating qualities such as patience. They teach not just academic subjects, but also life skills, ethics, and values. These lessons have fun as pillars of society. Teachers also play a key role in promoting social change by about equality, justice, and human rights. Let us all remember that the success of a nation lies in the hands of its educators, and it is through their unwavering commitment and young minds that we move forward as a society. Teachers truly are the pillars that hold up the structure of a better tomorrow. Thank you.
You made us for the teachers clearly, and for that we are truly grateful. Please give a big round of hands together.